Did you know that the way you take care of your kidneys can be the difference between a healthy life and a lifelong dependence on invasive treatments? Most people don't give these essential organs the attention they deserve until it's too late. We live in a society where the unchecked consumption of proteins, especially those of animal origin, is seen as a symbol of strength and health. But what if I told you that this habit, which many consider harmless, might be slowly destroying your kidneys? The truth is, maintaining kidney health requires more than just avoiding processed foods. It requires deep knowledge and a change in habits that few are willing to make. But here's the secret: small changes in your diet can offer powerful and lasting protection for your kidneys. And the best part? You don't have to sacrifice flavor or satisfaction in your meals. In this guide, you'll discover how each food choice, from the type of protein to the selection of vegetables, can be the key to preserving your kidney health and avoiding future complications. Get ready for a journey of knowledge that will challenge everything you thought you knew about diet and kidney health. 1. The role of protein in kidney health. When it comes to kidney health, protein intake takes center stage, especially for those living with chronic kidney disease, CKD. It's not just about what you eat but how much you eat, and the impact this can have on your kidneys is profound. Imagine your kidneys as tireless filters. Overloading them with excess protein can accelerate their wear and tear, leading to complications no one wants to face. For those living with CKD, carefully adjusting the amount and type of protein consumed isn't just a dietary choice, it's a health preservation strategy. Now, think about the protein options you consume daily. A juicy steak might be tempting, but is it the best choice for your kidneys? Consuming animal proteins, especially in large amounts, can force your kidneys to work harder than they should. This is where personalized nutritional guidance becomes crucial, where even the selection of each piece of meat should be made with care. It's like tuning a musical instrument. Every detail counts, and the final result could mean avoiding something as serious as dialysis. And don't think that choosing proteins is trivial. Every gram matters when it comes to protecting long-term kidney health. Adopting a diet that balances the body's needs without overloading the kidneys is an art that can make all the difference. But the journey doesn't end here. The controversy surrounding proteins, especially those of animal origin, opens doors to other essential considerations that need to be explored. After all, understanding the nuances of this relationship is crucial for anyone who wants to keep their kidneys functioning like true purification machines. 2. Red meat controversy. The controversy surrounding red meat consumption is a hot topic, especially when it comes to kidney health. It's common to hear that proteins are essential for the body, but the question few consider is what type of protein we're consuming. For those living with CKD, excessive red meat intake can be compared to adding fuel to an already lit fire. The impact on the kidneys can be devastating, accelerating the decline of kidney function and bringing the risk of dialysis closer. This is because red meat, besides overloading the kidneys, contains compounds that can inflame the body. Now, imagine replacing some of that red meat with less aggressive protein sources. Some people have adopted diets with lower amounts of protein, using special amino acids that help preserve kidney health. This approach, although contrary to what many believe to be healthy, can slow the progression of CKD and offer additional protection for the kidneys. Think of it as fine-tuning a car engine. Small changes in how you fuel your body can keep your system running longer with less wear and tear. But don't be mistaken, reducing red meat in your diet isn't just about deprivation. It's about making smart choices to protect your kidneys in the long run. The science behind this change is solid, and the benefits are real. However, this is just the beginning of the discussion on how the type of protein can influence kidney health. There's still an interesting alternative that's gaining ground and could offer a new perspective on kidney protection: plant-based proteins. 3. Plant-based diet benefits. Switching from animal proteins to plant-based ones may seem like a simple change, but its effects on kidney health are surprising. For those living with chronic kidney disease, this change can reduce renal hyperfiltration, a condition where the kidneys overwork, and decrease proteinuria, which is the excessive loss of proteins in the urine. It's like giving your kidneys a much-needed break, allowing them to function more efficiently without the added stress caused by animal proteins. Now, think about the options you can incorporate into your diet. Plant proteins found in foods like beans, lentils, tofu, and chickpeas not only offer a nutritious alternative but also come with fibers and antioxidants that benefit overall health. Imagine replacing that traditional steak with a delicious chickpea salad or a lentil stew. These small changes can have a big impact, not just on your kidneys but on your overall health, providing a sense of well-being and renewed energy. But the benefit goes beyond immediate relief for the kidneys. In the long term, adopting a plant-based diet can offer lasting protection against the worsening of kidney failure. It's like investing in a natural health insurance, where each meal becomes an opportunity to take care of your kidneys. However, this choice is just one piece of the puzzle that makes up a healthy kidney diet. There are specific foods that, besides being rich in fiber and nutrients, are also low in protein, and they deserve special attention in building a diet plan that favors kidney health. 4. Essential foods for CKD. When it comes to building a diet that favors kidney health, food choices are crucial. For those living with CKD, foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables aren't just part of the diet but the foundation of an intelligent eating strategy. Grains like oats and barley, for example, offer fibers that help control blood sugar levels and keep the heart healthy, all while being kind to the kidneys due to their low protein content. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal enriched with berries, a true gift for your kidneys. Fruits, especially those rich in antioxidants like berries and tangerines, play a vital role in protecting the kidneys. These fruits help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, two conditions that can accelerate kidney damage. Additionally, they are delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily routine, whether for breakfast, as a snack, or dessert. A practical example is adding some slices of tangerine to your leafy green salad, creating a refreshing and nutritious combination that pleases both the palate and the kidneys. Vegetables like spinach and bok choy shouldn't be forgotten. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, and at the same time, have a low protein content, making them ideal for those who need to take care of their kidney health. Incorporating these vegetables into your daily meals is a simple and effective way to support kidney function. A quick stir-fry of bok choy with garlic and olive oil can be the star of dinner, providing a burst of flavor and benefits for your kidneys. But even with these healthy choices, it's important to remember that balance is essential. Monitoring protein intake remains a critical step in protecting your kidneys and avoiding future complications. 5. Importance of monitoring protein intake. Even with all the care in food selection, protein intake still requires constant attention. For those living with CKD, even under the guidance of a nutritionist, excessive protein consumption can be a silent risk. Compromised kidneys need relief, not overload, and this requires rigorous diet monitoring. Imagine trying to carry a heavy load every day. Over time, fatigue builds up, and the body begins to fail. That's exactly what happens to the kidneys when you consume more protein than necessary. Maintaining this balance may seem challenging, but there are practical strategies that make this task easier. A good start is using nutrient counting apps or even keeping a food diary, recording everything you eat throughout the day. This way, you can have precise control and avoid excesses that could compromise kidney health. Another crucial point is educating yourself about the different sources of protein, opting for those that have less impact on the kidneys, such as plant-based ones, and always consulting a nutritionist to adjust the diet according to individual needs. The most important thing, however, is to be aware that every food choice counts. Monitoring protein intake isn't an extreme measure but a powerful tool to protect the kidneys and slow the progression of CKD. Knowledge is a vital weapon in this battle for kidney health, and the more informed you are, the better your chances of keeping your kidneys functioning well for many years. This vigilance is what can make all the difference between a life of quality and the need to resort to invasive treatments like dialysis. Now that you know the secrets to keeping your kidneys healthy, the next step is to apply this knowledge to your daily life. It's not just about a temporary diet change but a permanent transformation that can save your life. Ask yourself, Are you willing to make these changes and protect your kidneys from irreversible damage? The choice is yours, but the benefits are undeniable. Start today by adjusting your protein intake, choosing foods that promote kidney health, and monitoring every meal with the attention your kidneys deserve. Remember, your kidneys are silent but essential. Taking care of them now can prevent serious problems in the future. And to keep learning how to protect your health, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. This way, you ensure that you're always updated with the best tips to keep your body running like a well-tuned machine. The change starts now, and the power is in your hands.